Hi guys, today's video is the granny square. The granny squares are on the rise in the fashion and the home decor. So now is the perfect chance to learn how to crochet this timeless crochet. This video will make you through the patterns step by step while sharing some tips for making your square picture perfect. You can use this pattern for anything you like in your decoration or your crafts. For example, you can make blankets, cardigans, or bags, or box covers, or anything you like and you think. Let's go for it. Start with the magic ring. Here is our magic ring. Make 2 chain and then make 3 double crochet in the ring. For the double crochet, I'm gonna wrap yarn on my hook, go into the ring, bring the yarn up and pull through 2 loops and pull through 2. Again, another one. Here is our 3 double crochet, and then chain 1 and make 3 double crochet in the ring again. 1, 2 and 3. 1 chain. Do it 2 more times. 1, 2 and 3. 1 chain. 1, 2 and 3. Pull the tail of the yarn for our magic ring and it closes up that center nicely, and then so with the half double crochet to the close, if you remember when we first started out, we chained that 2. We don't joining with a chain stitch. That's chain 2 just give us the height to make our 3 double crochet. Okay, we don't need this 2 chain in the start. So we're actually gonna join into the top of our first double crochet we made, and so we're gonna make a half double crochet. We grab yarn over, going to the top of the first double crochet here, and now if you want to crochet with the one color, you don't need to do this that I doing now. Just continue your crocheting, and if you work with 2 or more colors, you must do this. After that, you move on the top of the first double crochet, bring the new yarn and make a slip knot on the hook and bring it out from 3 loop together, and then make 2 chain. Cut the tail of the yarn. Now I'm gonna turn my work, and the reason is Well, because there is no wrong or right side on the granny square if you turn work. That's why I like to do it and keep the color straight. Put the ties on the top together and crochet over it. Okay, look, here is our one chain space. Make 3 double crochet in it over the tight yarn tight. Now what we're gonna do, just gonna tie a knot and one more. Take your scissors and cut the tails just close to the knots and hidden under the double crochet that you made. And we go to the next corner space and make 3 double crochet, one chain and 3 double crochet. Every corner will be same: 3 double crochet, one chain, 3 double crochet. And go to the next space in the last corner, make 3 double crochet, if you're not changing color, just make a half double crochet in the top of the first double crochet. But now I gonna change the color, bring the next color and make a slip knot on the hook and pull through 3 loops and make 2 chain. Cut the tail of the yarn and now turn my work, pull up the tail of the yarn and make 3 double crochet in the chain space, 1, 2 and 3. And now I'm gonna make tie and cut it, close the knot and hide it under the double crochet and go to the next space between the 2 clusters and make 3 double crochet. And again go to the corner and make 3 double crochet, 1 chain and 3 double crochet. Remember, when we do corners is the only time we make 1 double crochet between the clusters of 3 double crochet in the next space between 2 clusters 3 and In the next corner, 3 double crochet, 1 chain, 3 double crochet, repeat until the end. Then we come to our final space of corner, make 3 double crochet, and we're not gonna to chain one because we joining around. We find our first double crochet and we're gonna do half double crochet, bring the next color, make a slip knot on the hook and bring the yarn out from 3 loops, make 2 chain, turn back, cut the yarn, and now hold 2 tails together and pinch them tight and make 3 double crochet on them in the chain space, and then make 2 knot and cut it close the knot, hide them, and to the next space between 2 clusters 3, make 3 double crochet and again make 3 double crochet in the next space between 2 clusters 3, and in the corner make 3 double crochet, one chain and 3 double crochet. Do this until the end. 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1 chain, 3 double crochet. Do this until the end. In the end, make 3 double crochet in the corner space and make a half double crochet top of the first double crochet, don't complete it, make a slip knot on the hook, pull through 3 loops and 2 chain, turn back and cut the yarn. Now you can tie these 2 ties together and hold 2 ties together and make 3 double crochet in the corner, and you can make this square as big as you want. You don't have to change the colors. If you don't want, you can just keep going along. I'll keep going a few rounds and come back and I show you my granny square and the point of the end. In the end, make a chain and a slip stitch the top of the first double crochet and cut the yarn. And here is our granny. Look, there is no wrong side and right side. It's very simple and very beautiful pattern for the granny square. And now all you have to do is sew the tail of the yarns finishing your work. Hide the yarn between the stitches nicely and cut the yarn. And here. Cut the yarn and done. That is how I make granny square. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like it, please let me know in the comment below. If you joined it, please do subscribe. That would be helpful. I hope you all have a nice and great day. I'll see you in the next time. Bye.